This 2021 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT302 VRB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Gassville, Arkansas, 72635 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Gassville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Venture RV is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.